Hello dear students, welcome to mathematics class. In this class we will discuss the construction of analytic function by Milne-Thomson's method. So here by the last class we have discussed what is analytic function and what is harmonic function, how to prove that the function is analytic and how to prove whether u or v is harmonic or not. But now here we need to find the analytic function. So by using the given thing, here they will give either the real part or the imaginary part. So by using that we need to find the analytic function. So by using this Milne-Thomson's method. So let us see what is this method or how to find the analytic function. So in this method f dash of z must be expressed as a function of z by replacing x by z and y by 0. So this is very important. So here we are replacing x by z and y by 0, then integrating we will get the required analytic function. So here we have two cases, because each analytic function has two parts, one is real and one is imaginary part. So if real part is given, then how to find the analytic function, and if imaginary part is given, then how to find the analytic function. So therefore depending on those two parts we have two cases. So case 1, if u is given, then how to find the analytic function. Now since f of z equal to u plus iv and f dash of z equal to dou u by dou x plus I into dou v by dou x. So it is about the analytic f of z and f dash of z. So here we don't have v, right? So therefore here we can get dou u by dou x, but we cannot get dou v by dou x. So therefore we can replace that as dou u by dou x. So dou v by dou x can be written as minus dou u by dou y. So therefore it is minus I into dou u divided by dou y. This is f dash of z. Consider this as equation number 1. So here u is given, so therefore we are replacing this dou v by dou x by minus dou u by dou y by using the CR equations. And now replacing x by z and y by 0 in equation 1. So in the first equation we need to replace x by z and y by 0. So then f dash of z becomes, so here dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y are the functions of x and y. So here we are replacing x by z and y by 0 means all the variable y are equal to 0 and then x becomes a z. So therefore the total function will become a function of z. So let it be phi of z. Then integrating on both sides, so integration of f dash of z dz equal to integration of phi of z dz. So therefore it is f of z equal to psi of z plus c. So let us consider, since it is not in particular, it is any function of z, so its integration can be written as psi of z plus c, which is the required analytic function. So here u is given, so by using this u we are going to find the required analytic function. So here we need to express f dash of z as a function of z by replacing x by z and y by 0, then integrate both sides with respect to z, we will get the required analytic function. And the second case is if v is given. So, means if the imaginary part of the required analytic function is given, so then how to find the analytic function, the total function f of z is equal to u plus iv. So, here we know that f of z equal to u plus iv and f dash of z equal to dou u by dou x plus I into dou v by dou x. So, here we do not know dou u by dou x because we do not know u itself, means then how it is possible to find dou u by dou x. So, therefore, here we know that dou v by dou x, since v is given we can find dou v by dou x. So, by using the CR equations we can replace dou u by dou x by dou v by dou y plus I into dou v by dou x is equal to f dash of z. Since dou u by dou x is unknown quantity, so by using the CR equations this quantity can be replaced by dou v by dou y. Now f dash of z becomes dou v by dou y plus I into dou v by dou x. So here we need to reduce f dash of z as a function of z only. So therefore here consider here this as equation number 2. Now replace x by z and y by 0 in equation 2. So we get f dash of z equal to any function of z. After replacing x by z and y by 0, that second equation becomes a complete function of z independent of x and y, because x is replacing by z and y is replacing by 0. So therefore now f dash of z becomes a complete, or it is a function of the variable z only. So now integrating on both sides. So integration of f dash of z dz equal to integration of phi of z dz. So here it is equal to f of z, and integration of phi of z can be written as psi of z plus c, which is the required analytic function. So here also, as in the previous case, there u will be given, but here v is given. So now replacing dou u by dou x by dou v by dou y. Since u is not given, we do not know the partial derivative of u with respect to x. Hence we are replacing that dou u by dou x by dou v by dou y. And now rules to find the harmonic conjugate. So already we know what is harmonic conjugate. If u is given, then v will be considered as the harmonic conjugate of u, and if v is given, then u is the harmonic conjugate. So now if u is given, then how to find v? So here there is a formula to find v when u is given. So if u is given, then v can be written as integration of minus dou u by dou y into dx. So here we need to integrate this with respect to x, treating y as constant, plus integration of dou u by dou x into dy. So here terms not containing x, means while integrating dou u by dou x, we should consider only the terms which are independent of x, means that term should not contain any terms of x, and integrate that with respect to y. And similarly, if v is given, then u can be written as integration of dou v by dou y into dx, treating y as constant, plus integration of dou v by dou x into dy. So here we should consider the terms which are independent of x, or the terms not containing x. So these two are the important formula to find u and v whenever the corresponding parts are given. If u is given, then we can find v, and if v is given, we can find u by using these two formula, and these are very important. Now let us consider one example on finding the analytic function and the harmonic conjugate. Show that the function u equal to x cube minus 3xy square is harmonic, and find harmonic conjugate and the corresponding analytic function f of z in terms of z. So here it is given that u is the real part of the function. So by using that u, we need to find, or first we need to show that it is harmonic. To show that it is harmonic, we have to use the Laplace equations and find harmonic conjugate, means here u is given. So by using the formula, we can find v easily, and then finding the analytic function in terms of z, that is by using the Milne-Thomson's method. So in f dash of z, we need to replace x by z and y by 0, then integrate, we will get the required analytic function. So let us solve this one. Given u is equal to x cube minus 3xy square, u equal to x cube minus 3xy square, to find or to prove it is harmonic, we should satisfy the Laplace equation. So here the Laplace equation is dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to 0. So this equation must be satisfied by that u, then only it is considered as harmonic function. Now find the partial derivatives. So dou u by dou x, dou u by dou x is given by 3x square minus 3y square. So differentiation of x cube is 3x square and differentiation of 3xy square is 3y square. Then dou square u by dou x square. So here differentiation of 3x square is 6x and differentiation of 3y square with respect to x is 0. So therefore it is 6x only. And now dou u by dou y. So dou u by dou y is, now it is x cube and its derivative is 0 and minus 3xy square is there. So its derivative with respect to y is given by minus 6xy. Then dou square u by dou y square, this is minus 6x. So by using the Laplace equation, dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to 0. So here now adding dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square. Now it is equal to 6x plus of minus 6x, which is equal to 0. Now it implies that dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is equal to 0. Therefore u is harmonic. Therefore u is harmonic. Then the next thing is we need to find the harmonic conjugate. So here v is the harmonic conjugate of u, and we know that v is equal to, so the formula for v is integration of minus dou u by dou y into dx, treating y as constant, plus integration of dou u by dou x into dy, so treating or containing terms independent of x. So here we should consider the terms which are independent of x in dou u by dou x. Then this is equal to integration of dou u by dou y. This minus is there in formula itself. So dou u by dou y is minus 6xy. So therefore minus of dou u by dou y will become plus 6xy into dx, treating y as constant, plus, and dou u by dou x. So this is dou u by dou x, that is 3x square minus 3y square, and here we need to find the terms which are independent of x. So 3x square is multiplied by x, means it is not independent of x. So only minus 3y square is independent of x. So therefore minus 3y square dy. So here this is the v. Now here whenever x is there, then we should consider the term which is differentiated with respect to y, means dou u by dou y. And when dy is there, then consider the term which is differentiated with respect to x. So this is the formula. And now here we need to integrate this with respect to x, treating y as constant, and here with respect to y. And here v is equal to integration of 6xy dx. So here 6y is constant, then integration of x is x square by 2 plus here minus 3 y cube divided by 3 plus c, and this is equal to 3 x square y minus y cube plus c. So which is the required harmonic conjugate. So now the next part is we should find the analytic function. So let f of z equal to u plus iv and f dash of z equal to what? Dou u by dou x plus I into dou v by dou x. So in the question it is given that u, right, only u is given, then we need to find the analytic function. So whenever u is given, then f dash of z can be written as dou u by dou x minus I into dou u by dou y by using the CR equations. So dou u by dou x minus I into dou u by dou y, because in the procedure it is given. So here this is the procedure. Whenever u is given, then f of z is this one and f dash of z is this dou u by dou x plus I into dou v by dou x, and next by using the CR equations we are replacing the dou v by dou x by minus dou u by dou y. So now put the values for dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y in this equation. So here we know that dou u by dou x is equal to 3x square minus 3y square minus I into dou u by dou y is minus 6xy. So it is f dash of z. Now replace x by z and y by 0. Then what about f dash of z? So here x by z means this becomes 3z square minus 0, because y is there minus I into minus 6z into 0, because we should put y equal to 0. Then this is equal to 3z square f dash of z. And what is the next step? Next we need to integrate the f dash of z to get f of z. So therefore integration of f dash of z dz equal to integration of 3z square dz. Then this becomes f of z, here 3 into z cube divided by 3, which is equal to z cube f of z. Here we are not considering that constant of integration. because here we need to find f of z in terms of z only. So, there is no requirement of other constants, hence we are using that c, we are ignoring that c. So, therefore, f of z equal to z cube, which is the required analytic function.